girl, hey, it's your girl C Dottie coming back at you with another video. Alright, so back in late October, I think early November, I watched a lovely show called The Chilling Adventures of Sabrina the Teenage Witch, just like the rest of you, and got a little bit of inspiration to make some fan arts, if you will. So I shot a little time-lapse video showing you my step-by-step and my mistakes and how I tried to cover them up and or fix them for this baby right here. Can you see it? Yeah, kind of, a little bit. Oh, there we go. I would say at this stage she's about maybe 85 to 93% finished. I just have to go back in with some line work, but I'm about to show you all that in like 2 seconds. The batter switch in Greenville, Green something, not Riverdale, whatever. Miss Prudence Knight, the standout in my humble, honest opinion. Sabrina, who? Harvey, who? My fave, a true queen. I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. so here she is. I'm basically finished. I had to go in with some Copic marker and Prismacolor on a few areas, like around this tree, to kind of clean up some lines and define some things like her eyes. I don't know if can you see that? Yeah, and define some work around her eyes, etc. But overall, she's about done. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment what you think, and stay tuned for more videos. Oh, I need to go to sleep.